Definitely the perfect treat to start off the day with a healthy boost of energy.
Why did the grape stop in the middle row?
Fruit because they are so refreshing and sweet. I could honestly eat a whole bowl of them in just one sitting.
This melon is so refreshing and sweet on a sunny day. To be a little brighter.
It is incredibly creamy and full of healthy fats, perfect for a quick, delicious morning snack. Kiwi a day brings a lot more flavor to the party, don't you think? Trust atoms. Because they make up everything.